Guys, welcome back. This is Dead Wolf. Welcome back to another video of Coalition, where we're gonna be shooting each other.
Guys.
With you guys,
I'm not gonna be earlier than me, but
I'm
it's
not
fine.
gonna interrupt, guys.
It doesn't really matter.
All right, never mind. All right, but guys, please leave a like and a subscribe. It will mean so much to us. We'll start living our life. It means so much to us. If not, we just started this for a whole no flipping reason. But anyways, guys, yes, we're back with some more Coalition.
Tell me how this sounds.
I don't know. All right, I'm gonna join the server he put on. What did you put on? Are you just playing random? Wait,
that load sounded so good.
What's the server?
Okay, so 0
0
23
23
89
89
1.
That it?
Mhm.
All right, guys, we're back with some more Coalition. I hope you guys have the best time watching us, and I really hope you guys have a good time.
We are going to have a
us.
go-kart video tomorrow, so stay tuned for that.
Yeah, that's going to be so much fun. I can't wait. Yeah, he's a really crazy driver, so I don't really trust him. Where'd he go? I see you.
Oh, crap.
Hey, no more ducking.
I'm out of ammo.
Alright, cool, you're out of ammo.
That didn't get anywhere near me.
Got you. Wee.
Carter's just like, what?
Right. Why do you want to go back to Capital?
I want to go downtown.
Urban.
The Urban's where we have all our memories.
Ah, no, I crashed.
Did you really?
No.
No, you didn't.
No, I didn't. Alright.
Sorry for always playing with snipers. Oh, crap.
You notice something?
Yeah.
What?
They were on the same team.
Yeah. Here, let me... Oops.
Who's changing teams? I'll change team.
Alright, go ahead. I actually want to play with some...
Different guns?
Yeah. Let's go with the, RPK.
No, just
7-4M.
Pick any gun you want.
Wait, Assault.
I want to look at some new guns. I want to show... I don't like this gun.
Hold on, let me show people. Hold on, where are you? I know where you spawn anyways.
What's the Scar L?
Where'd you go? Where are you? Where are
I
you?
kind of like the Scar L.
Hold on, where are you? Where are you?
The world may never know.
Oh.
Did I hurt you?
No.
Okay, Scar L is nothing.
Yeah, it really is. Actually, the G3AG.
Oh.
What do you
Alright,
have?
come here. I just want to test. I want to test.
Hold on, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? I'm scared.
It's like a military gun.
This one's like a submarine gun.
A submarine gun.
Look. Look on my screen. Hold on.
I know, I saw. I kind of like this gun. I'm going to try other guns, though. Guys, this is kind of like the weapon... we're just showcasing these weapons.
Oh, I see the gun you had.
Yeah.
It's a really good gun, actually. To me, I think it's like the best gun. What is
I
that?
remember this one.
What is it?
I remember this one. This is my favorite. This is one of my favorite ones. Here, come here. I want to test this. Wait, one shot. Hey, all I needed was one shot off of you. I just needed to know how much damage one shot did.
All right, where are you? Where'd you spawn? Oh, I wanted to shoot your head off. All right, I see you.
Ready? Just one shot.
Yeah. Alright, fine. I'll dislike your videos.
Don't make me fart on you.
I'll dislike your videos if you don't get off
I'll
me.
dislike your video.
Doesn't really care because I'm gonna get somebody what? Oh, I see.
50 HP every shot. I like that gun so far. Here we go. What's this gun? And it sounds a little weak.
Hon, where are you? Where are you? Oh, come here, punk. Come here, punk. How much health did you had? 64?
Yeah.
So 3 hits would kill you. Is that what we're saying?
What the? My tablet froze. Well, I need the code.
Zero two three. 023.
023. Okay.
891.
891. I killed you with 2 shots though.
With this gun?
Yeah. Or the PKM.
The PKM is actually really strong. Remember that time I actually hit you guys?
I played with the PKM a little bit. We're on the same team.
What's up, buddy?
Tell me, does my gun shoot fast?
Sorry, guys. My tablet has had some issues with the charging problem.
Ooh.
Ooh la la. No, please!
Fine.
Haha.
It's the worst way to die.
Oh, God.
Bad boy, I just spanked Carter. Literally.
Yeah, but it didn't really hurt, though. Wait, who's the Marines and who's who?
I think I'm the Marines.
No, I think I'm Marines. No, you're the other team.
How much health did you have whenever I killed you?
Like 59. Did we both just kill each other at the same time?
Yeah.
Well, no, I basically killed you at first, right? Oh, no, I killed you. Yeah, I killed you first.
I think... Hey, no! We're trying out new guns. That's what this episode is about.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
How far is your video in?
I'm about 9 minutes in.
Where? No glitching.
I don't like that.
Go die in a hole.
I already did.
I have 69 health left. I'd have a
AK-12.
What's an AK-12?
You're about to figure out.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Do you even know where I am?
I killed you from the side.
No, you're not allowed to do that. Cheater.
Well, you said what's the AK-12? Dude, this thing has such fast reload.
Actually, I'm gonna try that gun out. I want to see what it is.
It has such fast reload.
AK-12, right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I remember this gun. I love it. Would you seriously have a freaking fair fight? How did I not do... Are you flipping kidding me? Actually, guys, he's actually played this more than me. How are you not dead yet?
I have 33 health.
Yeah, I have 2 health.
Oh! I killed you 3 times with the same gun. I like that gun.
Yeah, me
That
too.
might be my new gun. We might do a whole episode where I have to choose the gun you have to use, and you have to choose the gun I have to use.
No, then you're just gonna pick the worst gun.
Yeah, I know the worst gun. Oh crap. That gun's powerful.
It really is, especially with the aim. Where are you? I'm hiding.
This gun has slow reload.
No, I saw you coming.
I wouldn't consider that, I like this gun because it's a running gun.
Yeah, I know. I like it too. I know it's the Guard 3A3. That's my favorite.
Well,
gun.
guys, I don't want to go over time limit again, so
Yeah,
I guess we'll finish up this in a few minutes. We'll just do another video, right?
Yeah. Yeah, sounds
Okay,
good.
so see you guys in the next episode.
See ya. After I kill Austin real quick.
I logged out. It logged me out.
Well, for you guys that are watching my video, you'll enjoy some stuff. Yeah!
Oh, you didn't stop your video yet?
No.
Oh, I'm redoing.
Yeah!
Hey guys, what's up? It's BabyWolf456 here, and Carter's still recording the last. Hit done. Hit done, Carter. Carter, hit done.